Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the system language of your Mac operating system. So let's get started. So what you need to do is you need to just click on this Apple logo here and then click on System Preferences, which is going to open the System Preferences window. And once your System Preferences window opens, you need to click on this option which says Language and Region. So I'm going to just click on this option. By default, as you can see, the preferred language here is English, but if you want to add any extra additional language here, you can click on the plus button here and then choose the language which you want to install. So for now I will choose German because I want to change the language to German language. So I will choose this German language and then click on add. And once you click on add, your Mac operating system is going to add German language in your Mac operating system. Also, you can see this message which says, would you like to use German as your primary language? If you want to use it, then just click on use German. What it's going to do is it's going to make your language as the preferred or primary language here. So it's going to move the language which you have selected at the top, and if the language is at the top in the preferred language, then it's your system language for your Mac operating system. You can also move this language up or down by just selecting it and then just dragging it up or down. So as you can see now, German is at the top, which means German is my preferred language, but still you can see everything is in English. So what you need to do is you need to restart your Mac operating system in order to all the changes to take effect. But let's see what happens when we close this window. So when you close this window, your Mac is going to give you this warning which says your primary language has changed. Do you want to restart your computer? If you restart this computer at this point, then your primary language will be set properly, and then you will be able to see all these options in your preferred language. In my case, it will be German language. But here, if you choose don't restart, and if you choose to restart your Mac operating system later, then also you will see some changes. So let me just click on don't restart and then close this. And now when I just click on this Apple logo, so let's say I click on this system preferences. When I do that, you can see the changes are taking effect. But in order to fully integrate with your language which you have chosen, you need to restart your Mac operating system. You can see all these options are in German now, but if you want to fully integrate your selected language, you need to restart your Mac operating system. So at this point, I just need to restart my Mac operating system and I will see everything here will be German. In my case, in your case, it will be your preferred language. So in this way, you can change your system language in your Mac operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.